Alright, I'm here just outside Seagull Villas, unit number 2. Now this one has been completely renovated. Everything inside has been completely redone, and with high dollar finishes. When I first walk in, it's got marble flooring. The configuration's been changed a little bit in these as well. In this one. This is the laundry room now. It's on barn doors, you can see. So if you've been in any of the other Seagull villas, which I just helped somebody purchase Seagull number 7, we actually just closed this week. This one is completely upgraded versus that one. It's got the quartz countertop, under-mounted sink. But the coolest thing on this one right here is it has this personal lift right here. So she's configured the stairwell differently to add this lift for people that don't want to use stairs. That's awesome because it gives you all the access to go upstairs. Kitchen's been completely redone, stainless steel appliances. The view is phenomenal. Sliding glass doors have been redone to the tune of about $10,000 a piece. Completely professionally decorated. I'll get the sun behind me a little bit so you can get a view back on everything. There we go. Alright, and as I head outside, it's got a big, obviously this is what everybody's here on the beach for, that view right there. So we got a big balcony, or a big half-covered deck right here. Half open. With your stairwell right down to the beach. Outdoor showers. There's your view looking out. There's looking out to the east. Your view looking straight out. Your view looking out there to the west. Just awesome views. Here's your view looking back towards the patio. Alright, and then I'll head upstairs. So again, completely reconfigured versus what the typical Seagull Villas condo or Seagull Villas townhouse looks like. And this personal lift is just perfect. That's an owner's closet right there. As I go up the stairs, she had to reconfigure the stairwell to fit the personal lift. So the stairwell comes up and then turns. Here's the access for the personal lift right there. Then she's added this bunk area. She took a little bit of room from the master bathroom. Every bed has its own TV. You can access the Jack and Jill closet right, or Jack and Jill bathroom right there. Full bedroom with the built-in bunk area. Closet there. Everything's like beautiful, just top of the line finishes, top of the line tile. And then Jack and Jill right here through to the bunk area. Okay, and then master bedroom. Again, beautiful views up here from the second floor. I'll go out there on the balcony in a second. You've got built-in desk. Master bathroom is awesome as well. Master shower, frameless glass shower doors. Everything is just as beautiful as you can imagine. It's just awesome. I hope the video does it justice. Walking out to the deck off of the master. You got a couple chairs. There's your view out to the beach. View out to the west again. Your view looking straight out. And your view out looking to the east. Super, super cool condo, or super cool townhouse here in Seagull Villas unit number 2.